any sort of fucking problem with.
But you got stronger.
One of my damn eyeballs. Forgot to say? Did I forget to say? It's hot as fuck out here. Keep slinging lead, you know. I don't care.
Subscribe. You'll never learn.
Well, I need some goddamn hearing protection. Alright, so here's a good drill. You got 3 dudes here. You got a little ambush situation. They're on a little group. So, let's do it. 1911, pair of ordnance. Oh, my ass itches. Alright, now this is an ambush, obviously, so I'm already here. Get yourself positioned right. I'm just giving you a tutorial here. Now, when we get ready, we're going to jump up, pop them out. That was pretty good. Pretty good little situation there. So let me show you what I've done. It's good to practice just 1 shot per target. That way it focuses your energy to get a better shot instead of trying to do double tap. Especially since you're using 45 ACP. Okay? So dead shot there, middle chest. Dead shot, gut shot for him. This is good as dead, people. And even for him. That was over near that heart. He got in some of that artery. He got into some of that meat on that left side near the spleen. It messed him up. He's down. He's wounded and bleeding. It's hurting.
The 35 hurt.
Alright, we're going to go take another look. I just wanted to give you another demonstration. Alright, so I just done it again. Once again, I hit him basically in the same spot on this first dude here. On this, the whitest one here. Now we moved to the brown one. And pretty much he took a damn spleen shot. Basically, it took out bottom part of a rib, whatever, spleen shot. You see what I'm talking about there. Kind of see the difference. Definitely not feeling good, definitely bleeding out because the 45 caliber has got a pretty good sized bullet there, pretty good sized hole it leaves in you. There's another good gut shot right there. That is, ooh, once again, very nasty. But like I say, this is a good drill to use, and you just do 3 times, 1 for each target. It's that simple. And once again, 45 caliber. Thumbs way up. The diameter matters. Believe me.
Oh, Billy.
And I'm gonna have a video coming up soon about that. Cool. 45, baby. Look at that big boy. Look at it. Well, as you can see, right there in the middle. Right there in the middle. And good enough. Exactly what that is.
Hell yeah.
Big old whopping holes. Bleed out time. Let's let my son take a try.
Alright. Alright, let's go see. Alright, so here's our first guy. That was a bat stomach shot up there. Second dude, about the inside of your lung, about right there in them ribs. And this guy right here, about the same. So, 3 dead bad guys.
Well, that was my son's first time ever trying this particular course here. And like I say, he had 3 bad guys here to contend with. Okay? 3 of them here. So, like I said, this first time, he done great. I should say. Definitely. So, definitely train your kids, people. And like I'm saying, it's the best thing to do. Don't shy them away from the guns, because that's just completely ridiculous. I mean, he's been shooting for a very, very long time. You know, since he's been like, 5 or 6. So, started BB guns roughly around 4. Kind of like myself. So, thing is, teach them while they're young. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll definitely see you on the next one. Don't forget to wear some eye protection too. Ain't that right, James? James?
I can see through your fucking soul, motherfucker.